Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with SeedInvest Crowdfunding. Review my usage experience. SeedInvest Crowdfunding Review My Usage Experience offers a platform to research and evaluate investment opportunities in startups via crowdfunding. Its main purpose is to help potential investors navigate the SeedInvest platform and make informed decisions. Key features likely include company profiles, investment details, and potentially some form of risk assessment tools. Their website provides details on the various startups seeking funding, along with comprehensive information about their financials and business plans. The site emphasizes transparency, aiming to provide all necessary information for potential investors. Ease of use is a major focus, as is access to a diverse range of investment opportunities. While it doesn't explicitly mention no hidden fees or no contracts, the nature of the service suggests that investment fees are clearly defined upfront. Availability is limited to those with the requisite investment capital and understanding of the risks involved in early-stage company investments. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using SeedInvest Crowdfunding. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After creating an account, I was able to easily browse the available investment opportunities. The interface is well designed and intuitive. I found it easy to filter by industry, investment amount, and other relevant criteria. For example, I was quickly able to find promising companies in the renewable energy sector that matched my investment goals. I found the company profiles thorough, providing comprehensive details about their business model, team, and financials. The speed of the website was consistently good, and I never experienced any significant delays. I didn't need to contact customer support, but I did appreciate the detailed FAQ section on the website, which addressed many of my initial questions. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to compare different investment opportunities side by side. One minor drawback was the somewhat complex terminology used in some of the financial reports. It took me a little while to get used to deciphering some of the more technical details. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience. SeedInvest provides a valuable resource for anyone interested in exploring early-stage investments. That's my overview of SeedInvest Crowdfunding. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.